So, ito lang yung dadalhin ko kasi yung sa package. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, gagawa ako ng pack with me. I'm actually headed to Bali, Indonesia. This is my very first time travel. Very first time. And kinakabahan ako dahil nga maraming warn about sa immigration natin. But I'm gonna take you guys with me. Magpapack ako. And let's see what happens. So this is the scenario right now. Ang super wala pang nakapack, super dumi. Yun pa yun sa baba yung isa kong maleta. So let's go ahead and pack our things. Papakita ko lang sa inyo guys kung paano mag-hack ng sariling timbang kapag nagta-travel kayo. So ito yung weighing scale natin. So first step daw gawin mo, timbang mo yung self mo. Timbang kong self ko, I am 55 kilos. And then, next mong gawin is, kunin mo daw yung baggage mo. Tapos, itimbang mo all together kasama ng weight mo. So, ito siya. So, right now, this is 66.2. Gawin lang natin. I-minus natin yung 66 and then 55. So, may around 9 to 10 kilos. So, mayroon pa akong extra 20 kilos, which is really good. Feel ko no need na ako magdala ng isa pang luggage. Feel ko okay na yung isa. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-impake, guys. Ito na yung scenario right now. So, ito lang yung dadalhin ko kasi yung sa package ko kasi, ay sa baggage ko kasi is 30 kilos check-in. So, ito na lang yung dadalhin ko para di na ako mahirapan. And then, ito para sa laptop ko and then personal. Ito yung shoes. Bye-bye! Good luck! Pinaka the best na word. Good luck.
Wala ka naligtan?
Wala na. Oh my gosh. Bye-bye!
Good luck.
Good afternoon.
Terminal 1.
Oo, Terminal 1. Pwede tayo sa Skyway dumaan? Mag-add lang ako. Or saan ba, mas madali? Ikaw na lang bahala.
Hindi, magdali ka na lang kasi.
Okay. Di naman ma-traffic today, no?
Tignan ko na lang Roma. Kasi hindi pa po napupunta dito.
Okay. Kasi sabi nung friend ko, daw, baka duma-traffic, so Skyway daw in case.
Ito 30 minutes pa lang.
Okay. I finally arrived at NIA Terminal 1 and my first thing on my mind is to pay the travel tax. It's pretty much easy to navigate everything on your own since there's a lot of signs inside NIA Terminal 1 and there are staffs as well that you could ask if you need some help.
Excuse me, saan mag-check-in? Check-in? Yes, for Bali?
Bali.
Hindi pa ako naka-check-in.
Nag-check-in pa lang kayo.
Pwede naman online?
Hindi ma'am, dito ma'am, pwede na kayo, pipila na kayo. Kasi
Okay.
on the spot.
So, dito?
Pila kayo, pasok kayo doon sa may.
Okay. Thank you. Hindi ko alam anong gagawin guys.
After paying the travel tax, which is 1,600 pesos, I went into the check-in area to check in my luggage before it actually closes down. After I checked in my luggage, I immediately went to the immigration to do the process there. I haven't filmed anything because they don't allow cameras over there, but it took me a little while to be able to finally get over it. akin. Ano? Wala kong giyano. Wala kong gisupan.
Pag-ilo. Ay pag-prank lang. Video call.
Okay na, oh my God.
Sure na.
Oo, sure na. Pwede na mag-my day.
Pwede na mag-birthday. Tira.
Okay, digisinggahan ko itong isa ka babae yan. Kaya wala pa ko naman day e-travel. Kung e-travel, ito na lang ko sa second nga babae. Mas kalma to sana siya. Di mo naman first time, no? Ito first time ko. Ang yung pangutawan na sa ko, yung sarili name sa akong hotel. Tapos tatak ba tayo? Ano? Shit, tatak na.
So, makaano na may di na. Zero ka.
Sa'yo kay ko lagi. Program na ako. Susa siya ka, okay. Mara, wala na siya pakata na tayo. Tatak, pag human ito nagtatak, di ba mo, ito na rin ka sa, sa murag, i-check mong bag, laptop, di ba, i-scan. Murag, bitaw ka, akong feeling, murag kung iro mo ka na nakabuhi, bitaw ko wala ko kabalo. Ha? Wala ko nakahag, nila sunod.
Pero okay naman.
Ang babae ka ganiya, abin ako sweet. Isog, bunti ko yung nag-utoy. Isog, bigising ka, nang ako no. Feeling din ako, mura ko bata, ikasambaan na. Nato ko din siya. Parang, lagi. Ato ko na to. 80s na to.
So, kapag pagpapagod, na yung style.
Wala akong dapat hindi expect.
Kasi nagtitisay mo.
Ako na.
Yan, nagkikita-tanglingan ako.
Uy, dili dapat. Ang plano namin ni Stephen is mag-Thailand kami. Pero, wala na dayon. Kaya ulan din na to. Si Chloe lang, king smile.
Family had always been very supportive of what I do, but this news is not something they're expecting. They're expecting me to be in Manila and not in Indonesia. So this has actually shocked them. But my dad already knew, and I told my mom about it like a few hours before the flight. So
Bye-bye sa vlog. Bye-bye.
I'm pretty much surprised why the immigration went so smoothly. As a first-time traveler, I've heard a lot of things about the immigration story, and as a Filipino and who wants to travel the world and doing it solo and for the very first time, you will have a lot of doubts and a lot of worries during the whole process. And I actually was very shocked that I went through immigration and I went there for like 30 minutes cap, and everything actually went so smooth. My flight leaves at around 7 p.m. and I was already at the airport ready to go by around 5 p.m. So I have plenty of time to get ready. I ate some dinner before I went into the plane. The boarding started pretty much early. Everything is actually on time.
Thank you. No.
I sat close with these two Filipino guys who are actually from Mindanao. I'm super glad that I didn't spoke to them in Bisaya because I don't want to talk about everything about Manila and Bali, Indonesia during the flight. So whenever I'm actually traveling and on a plane, I'd love to actually just sit and stare at the window or probably just listen to my music. I'm super glad that I full charge my earpods. I'll be able to listen to music this whole duration, and that's absolutely great for me. Before the plane left, it's actually raining in Manila, and the pilot says in Denpasar and Bali, Indonesia, everything is actually all good. I wasn't worried or anything. I'm just really excited to be in Indonesia finally. Guys, good morning. Kakagising ko lang at nandito na tayo sa Canggu, Bali, Indonesia. Nalagpasan natin ng immigration, which is really good. And I will be touring you guys around sa Bali. But that's gonna be for another vlog. Tip ko lang sa mga first-time traveler, all in all, huwag kayong kabahan. Kasi easy naman. Yung mga sinasabi nilang what could go wrong are mga signs actually. And I never thought na hindi man lang ako tinanong sa bank statement ko or anything. Ang tanong lang sa akin, how many days, saan magsistay, and then if first-time traveler pa. And then anong work. Yun lang. It's so easy and I can't believe I'm already in Indonesia and this is my very first out of the country. And I'm gonna make sure that this will be one for the books. I have to go out and head for breakfast. I'll see you guys again pretty soon. I hope you learned something on this video. Thank you so much. Paalam.